Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your TikTok followers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the TikTok app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Go to the three dots or lines in the top right corner to access settings. Scroll down and select Privacy to review your account's privacy settings. Make sure your account is set to public if you want to attract more followers. If your account is private, only approved followers can see your content. Begin posting high-quality videos that resonate with your target audience. Utilize trending sounds and hashtags to increase your visibility. Engage consistently with your followers by responding to comments. Collaborate with other TikTok creators to tap into their audience. Analyze your video performance using TikTok Analytics. Identify which types of content have performed best for you. Post at optimal times when your audience is most active. Consider hosting a live session to connect directly with your followers. Share your TikTok videos on other social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Encourage your current followers to share your content with their friends. Stay updated with TikTok trends and adapt your content accordingly. Remain patient, as building your follower count takes time. Continue experimenting with different styles and formats to find what resonates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.